In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best White& Co. discount promo codes in 2024. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and look after search for White& Co. discount promo codes. Right here, go to this website, which is called Coupon Buds. And as you can see, we have some promo codes that we can use to get a discount. So for example, if you want to get this 10% discount of your next order, all you need to do right here is select get code, and this is the promo code that you can copy from right here, and you can apply this promo code on your next purchase in order to get this 10% discount. Also, going back to our nice search, we have this website which is called couponfollow.com. And as you can see, we also have some promo codes right here that we can use to get a discount. So for example, if you want to get up to 15% discount of your next order, all you need to do right here is select your coupon code. And this is the promo code. You can copy this one from right here. And if you apply this promo code on your next purchase, you'll get this 15% discount. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.